I am going to show you the new way of creating ebooks in today's video. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website, www.rockaworld.com, for more information. So guys, to design our ebook, we are going to start with DeepSeek. So you can access it via deepseek.com, and like you can see, this is the front page of it. Okay, once you're done signing up, it's going to bring you over here. Now all you have to do is to click on the Start Now button. So this AI tool is the one that is going to help us generate ideas and also brainstorm. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this page over here. So I already have a prompt ready that we are going to be using, and I've shared it with you guys in the description down below. You can check it out if you want to use the same prompt. So all you're going to do is to click on the generate button over here. But before you do that, make sure you've selected this option that says Deep Think R1. Okay, so once you're done selecting it, make sure it's blue. Then you're going to click on this button over here, and you see what results it's going to come up with. So like you can see, it's thinking through the entire process. Then after, it's going to give us the final results that we are going to be using. So we have to make sure that we are searching for something evergreen and profitable. We also have to make sure that it solves a certain task or a certain problem. So let's scroll down and we see what results this AI has come up with, so that we can choose one particular niche we are going to be working with. So like you can see, option 1 is personal finance, then option 2 is productivity, option 3 health and fitness, career development, option 4, option 5 is technology. You are going to give yourself time and you go through all of these really well. Then you'll have to choose a specific niche. I suggest that you should choose something that you're a bit knowledgeable about, something that you see yourself working on in the long run. Okay, so down here it also gives you the reasons as to why these niches work, like you can see. So read through everything really well. Now we are going to go ahead and choose a topic to work with. I like idea 2, which is productivity. Its title is a bit complicated, but we are going to fix that with our next prompt, like I'm going to show you. And then I like also the purpose. Like you can see, it helps readers overcome procrastination and boost their efficiency. Okay, so what we are going to do is to input a new prompt. Like I said, I've shared all the prompts with you guys in the description down below. I'm just going to click on generate and see what results it's going to come up with. So here is the prompt that it has generated for us. But if you feel like it's still longer, you can ask the AI to make it a singular prompt or to make it brief, and then you'll have something like this. Okay, so before we copy this and paste it into our next tool, I want to show you another alternative of doing this. You can use this new prompt to ask this very AI tool to generate for you an ebook, and I'm going to show you how you can use this as we move forward. So it will give you such results. And if you feel like the AI didn't explain everything really well, you can always go back and you ask it to give you a detailed explanation for all the chapters. Like you can see exactly what I did. Then you see how it generates for you everything you want. So with these AI chatbots, you just have to be conversational. Anything you think of, any edits you want to make, you just have to come down here and you type in whatever corrections you want to make. Okay, so it will generate for you something that will work for you. So the next tool we are going to be using is known as Gamma.app. So once you're done signing up, it's going to bring you to this interface. And here you're going to click on the create new option, just like that. So if you already have an outline that you want to work with or any text you want to work with, you can click on paste and you paste it over here. Then the AI will build from that. But we want the AI to do everything for us in today's video. So I'm going to click on generate, this option over here. Then I'll go to my Google Docs and collect the prompt that we generated with DeepSeek. So I'm just going to copy it. Okay. Then I'll go back to Gamma. And here where it says describe what you would like to make, I'm going to paste my prompt over here, just like that. Okay. Then we are going to choose the social option over here. So you will also have to choose the number of cards that you want your ebook to have. So the free plan ends on 10 cards. If you want more than that, you will have to upgrade your plan. Then you'll also choose the style you want. So we are going to stick with portrait, and then we are going to click on generate outline to see what results this AI is going to generate for us. So our outline is now ready, like you can see. And if you want to add something to it, you can always click over here in between the cards, just like this. And like you can see, it brings an option of add card. So when you click on that, it's going to give you a new card where you can enter the information you'd like to add. Okay, so when you scroll down furthermore, you will see that you can also add to the already existing cards. So if you want a ninth card, you will just click on add card, and that way it will add onto your ebook. Okay, so down here you have the options of customizing what are your ebook, what you want your ebook to look like. So you're going to click on view more, then you'll see the different themes available. So if you find a particular one that catches your eye, you're going to be using that specific one. So let me go through these really quick and I see if I can find something that we can use. So I'm going to use this theme, but don't worry, if you don't like it at the end of it all, you can always edit it, okay? And I will show you how if we need to. So you're going to click on select theme, and then it's going to bring you over here. So you will scroll down. Now, based on how you like the content, if you want something brief, you're going to click on brief. And if you want something medium, you'll click on medium. And if you want something detailed, you'll click on detailed. If you also want to add images, you can generate images with AI, or you can just upload them from your gallery, from web images, anything. Okay, you just have to go through the different options available. Now, once you're done with everything, you're just going to click on generate, and we see the results they're going to give us. Here are the results that they've generated for us, and like you can see, everything looks good right now, and they've added different images where needed. So I like the outcome. Okay, we can make edits to this, and I'm going to show you how. But first, guys, if you're already finding value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Okay, now let's proceed. So there is different ways to edit your content. The first one, when it comes to images, if you want to change, for example, this image, you'll click on it just like this. Then you're going to right click, and you'll see that it will bring you an option of editing over here. So once you click on the edit image, it will allow you to either generate images with AI, whereby you just have to enter your prompt over here, and then you will generate. Then the AI is going to give you an image to use. Okay, if you want to just upload it from your gallery, you can click over here. Like you can see, there is an option of uploading the image. Okay, image search, all the options are here, so you just have to go through them. And when it comes to text, all you have to do is to click on the section where you want to edit, and like you can see, you easily have access to edit all your text. Okay, so it is that easy. Okay, let me just replace it back, and then we are going to proceed. So there is more options over here that we are going to go through, but before that, let's look at the theme. So like I told you guys, you can change the theme within the design. So if you don't like the theme, you can always click over here. Then you go through the different themes, you try them out on your design, and you see if you like them better. Okay, so the other thing you can do, you can also add videos and media by clicking over here. Then you can add either from gallery, video or audio URL. Like you can see, you can add YouTube videos. So it depends. You just have to click on the part of the document you want to add these videos. Then you'll be able to upload the video. Okay, so that looks great. The other buttons, you'll have to go through them step by step, and you see how they work, but those are the most important ones that I thought I should mention to you guys. Also, if you want to change the font style, you can click over here, and you see the different texts available. Then you can use that. Okay, so once you're done and ready with everything, you can click on present to see how it has come out. But in this case, I want us to download it because I'm going to show you what we can do next. So you will click on the three buttons over here, and you will go to the export option, and we want to export it as a PowerPoint, and I will show you why. So I'm just going to click on download, and that way, like you can see, it's in process and it's going to download onto our device. So let's head over to another tool, and I show you what we are going to be doing next. So the next tool we are going to be using is Canva. And once you're on Canva, you'll come here where there is a search bar, and then what we are looking for is an ebook. Okay, so you're going to type in ebook because we want to have the right size of the ebook. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to search. Then I'll check this blank option. Okay, this one that allows us to create blank, okay, from scratch. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to bring us a clear canvas that we are going to be using. So here is the canvas that we are going to be using. Now all you have to do is to click on uploads over here, then you'll click on upload files. That way you'll be able to upload the PowerPoint that we just downloaded from Gamma.app. Okay, like you can see right now, mine is in process under projects. Like you can see, it's uploading, so we are just going to give it time until it's done. Then I'll show you what we are going to be doing next. Once it's done uploading, you're going to click on it just like this, and like you can see down here, it gives you an option that says apply all 8 pages. Okay, so you're just going to click on it just like this, and all the pages are going to be added to our project, like you can see. So now you're going to go through these pages step by step and make sure that all the text is within the white margin, like you can see. So just make sure everything is neat and tidy. Okay, so when you find text that goes beyond the margins, you'll just have to push it on this side to make sure everything really fits well. Okay, just like this. Okay, so Canva is also going to give you an option of adding as many pages as you want for free, okay, between the pages. So for example, let's say we want to add a second page after the first page. So you're just going to click on add page, and like you can see, they give you a new page that you can work with. So all you have to do is to go to text, and then you can click on the add a text box. Then it's going to come over here on the screen. That way you'll be able to enter all the details or information that you'd like to enter on this particular page. Okay, they also have different templates that you can customize. So all you have to do is to click on the design option, then you'll go through the different templates available. You can choose from that as well. Okay, you can also choose to use the template that you had before. For example, if you want to duplicate this page, you can easily duplicate it. Then you can replace the image with a different image in correspondence to the kind of text you've input, okay, on this page. So you can edit everything. Still, you can make the edits in Canva. Like you can see, you're able to change the background color, you're able to change the font style, the font color, everything. Now this bar is open for you to edit anything that you'd like to add onto your design. So you can also use the elements option over here to search for different images to use in your book. For example, let's say if you're searching about self-care, you're going to come over here and you type in self-care. They'll bring you different images that you can go through, and then you'll choose which one resonates best with your content. For example, let's say if you find this particular one and you want to use this, you'll just have to drag and drop it, and just like that, it replaces the old image with the new one. Okay, so the only thing maybe I should point out, the images with a crown symbol, you need Canva Pro to access them, but the ones without a crown symbol, you can use them free of charge. Okay, so now let's assume that we've worked on the biggest part of our book, or we are almost done with the book interior. Let's go ahead and design our book cover, and then we are also going to add table of contents and clickable links to our book. To design our book cover, you're going to open up a new tab and you'll search for Canva. So this time we are going to click on this option down on the left that says DreamLab. Okay, so you're going to click on that and it's going to bring you to a new page which looks like this. So I already have a prompt already. This is the prompt we are going to be using, and I've shared it with you guys in the description down below. Okay, so this is what we are going to be using. Now we need to change the aspect ratio. So for the aspect ratio, we are going to go with 3:4. Okay, portrait. So then you're going to click on create. You're going to give it time, and you will see the results it's going to come up with are the results that it has generated. So you're just going to go through them really well and carefully. Then if you find the one you want to use, you can click on download. But if it has some errors, you can go ahead and click on edit. Now, for example, I want us to change this downer text to the author's name. So you're just going to click on edit. So it's going to bring you here, and all you have to do is to click on edit. So it will bring you these options over here. You're going to search for grab text, and then you're going to click on it just like this. Okay, so you're going to click on this option that says click just like this. So this is going to click on all the text available in the image. Okay, and here it's easy for you to select any parts of the text that you would like to edit. So I only want the downer one. I'm going to click on it just like this, and then I'll click on grab. Okay, so it's going to take us back and that we will be able to change, the author's name to a name we want. So now let's assume that your name is Ray. You're just going to go ahead and edit this to Ray, just like that. Then after that, you're going to click on the share button. Then you will download this as a PNG, okay? So you will click on download, then you'll choose the PNG file, okay? Then you click on download. So that way it's going to save on your device, okay? Now you're going to go back to the previous page that we were on in Canva. You're going to go ahead and upload the design that we just downloaded, okay? So you're going to click on upload files, then you'll find the design and you upload it over here, okay? As it uploads, you're going to click on this add a page option over here, okay, just like that. Then you're going to move it to the top, okay? You just click on the arrow, then it will become as number 1 over here. So once the image is done downloading, you are simply just going to drag and drop it there, just like that. So that's going to be our book cover. Now it's time for us to add the table of content. To add the table of content, we are going to duplicate that page once again. Click on duplicate. Like you can see, we have a new page over here. Now I'm going to use one of Canva's templates to add beauty to the page. So I'm just going to drag and drop it over here, just like this. So now I'm going to edit this to table of content. I'm going to edit this and I change it to uppercase. So I'm just going to highlight it just like that. Then I'll click on this option over here. So I'm going to make it a bit smaller, okay? Just like this. Then I will go back to my Google Docs and collect the first option, which is introduction. So I'm just going to copy it just like this. Let me highlight everything and I copy it. Then I'm going to go ahead and paste it into Canva, okay, over here. Okay, so I'm going to make it smaller, just like this. So let me just reduce on the size so that everything can fit perfectly well, okay? So I'm going to duplicate it 7 more times because we have 8 chapters, okay? Once you are done editing and arranging everything, it will look like this. So this is not really visible. I'm going to go ahead and delete some of the designs to keep it simple, okay? So like you can see, it has given it more beauty and more visibility, okay? So let me also edit this, okay? And I make sure it's 8, just like that. Now what you're going to do next is to go ahead and name all these pages, okay? So we are going to name the first one as a title, then the second one table of content, then the remaining parts we are just going to name them based on their chapters, okay? So right now I'm doing everything really fast, guys, so that we can save time. Like you can see, so let's just zoom this in to see what it looks like. So everything looks great right now. Now it's time to add links to our table of contents. So we are going to start with introduction and we'll right click. Then you're going to click on the link option over here. So this is the importance of naming your pages because you easily know what to attach to what, okay? So now in case of introduction, the introduction page, I should have named it introduction, but I started with chapter 1, so you can fix that, okay? But now the introduction is our chapter 1, okay? So we are going to link it to this page. So we are going to click on chapter 1, just like that, and then you're going to click on done, okay? So simple. That's what you only have to do. So you're going to go to the second chapter, okay? So I made a mistake like I explained to you guys. So now this is going to be our chapter 2, okay? So I'm going to go to link once again, and then I'll choose chapter 2, okay? And then I'll click on link, okay? So let me go ahead and do the rest of screen to save you guys time, and then we are going to proceed. You need to watch this video till the end, guys, because I'm going to show you how you can build your own website for free. So this is what it's going to look like once you're done with all the pages, okay, like you can see. Then you're going to go ahead and go through all the pages. You delete the Gamma logo, okay? You can replace it with yours if you want to. Then let's have a grid view to see how our book looks like, okay? So this is what the final product looks like, okay? Once you're done, you're just going to click on the share button over here, and then you're going to click on download. So we want to download it as a PDF print. Okay, so you're going to click on PDF print, and then you'll click on download. So that way your book is going to save onto your device in PDF format, and I'm going to show you how it's going to come out. And this is the only way we are also going to be testing our links to see if they actually work. Okay, the PDF format, and this is what you're going to be sharing with your customers, like you can see. So let's test our links to see if they actually work. Okay, so randomly we are going to choose this one says techniques to conquer procrastination now. So let's click on that and we see if it will bring us there. Like you can see, it automatically brings us to this page. Let's try another one. Okay, to make sure that it's not lag. This one says focus power apps to block distractions. So let's click on that. Like you can see, it brings us to this page. So all our links are working. So now that we are sure that our book has come out great, you can share your book on different platforms. For example, like Teachable, Gumroad, Amazon KDP, and also on your own website, which I'm going to show you how you can create it with AI. Okay. So to create our website, we are still going to be using Gamma.app. So you're going to click on the create new button over here, and then you will choose the option that is easier for you, either if you want to paste in your text or to generate with AI. So I'm going to focus on generating with AI. So I'll click on this option. Then it's going to bring us a new page where we are going to choose web page. Okay, because right now we want to build a website. So this is the option we are going to choose. Like you can see, you can also make presentations. If you want a presentation, you can just click on presentation option over here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and input a prompt. Like I said, I've shared all these prompts with you in the description down below. And if you don't have a website name idea, you can always use AI, for example, like DeepSeek, ChatGPT, to generate, website name ideas. So I have mine. It's Quick Focus Books, and I'm going to click on generate outline like we did before. So literally we are taking the same steps like we took before, but only that this time around we are working on our web page. Okay, so click on the generate outline button and you wait for the results that are going to be generated for you. So here is the outline that they've generated for us, like you can see. So we are going to go ahead and choose the theme of the website that we want. So literally we are taking the same exact steps like we did before. Okay, so once you're done with everything, you will just click on the generate button and they're going to generate for us a website in few seconds. So this is what our website has come out like, and you can edit this to your own liking using the editing skills I showed you earlier on. You just have to go over here to these buttons and you'll be able to edit everything that needs to be edited. And if you want like to edit particular text over here, you just have to click on the text and you add what you want. Okay, so I think it has come out great. And if you want to access the pages easily, you can only click over here like this on the side, just like this, and like you can see, it automatically takes you to the page you've clicked on. So once you're done with everything, you will click on the publish button over here. Like you can see, mine is already in the process. But before that, if you want a custom domain name, you'll have to click on this arrow over here, and then you'll be able to access the option of getting your own custom domain name, but you'll need to upgrade to a pro plan. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching, and if you haven't liked this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.